Hi friends, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to unbox the manual breastfeeding pump which was brought from firstcry.com. Actually, this manual breast pump is used to pump the milk from the mother to feed the milk to baby. Actually, for some moms, the nipples will be very thin or very low. So for that moms they need manual breast pumping, and automatic breast pumping is also available, but here I am unboxing only manual breast pump. So by using this pump we will pump the milk from the breast of the mother and feed the milk to the baby. So let us do unboxing. What are the contents inside? We'll get. Actually, this cost of is nearly 500 rupees. This is the manufactured by the Babyhug company, which is a very famous company for the baby products. Yeah, in this you will get baby feeding pump, manual pump. See, in this you will get one nipple and bottle and hand, valve, and everything you will get. See, let us see inside the box. This is the manual. That is the manual of the manual breast pump. This is the manual of the Babyhug feeding pump. So inside the cover the items are available. See, this is the feeding bottle with the handle. It will come like this. This is the nipple with the cap, feeding bottle and hand pump. So if you want to buy it, I will provide the link in the below description. Please go through it to buy it. This is one of the beautiful item which was very useful for the baby feeding or manual breast pump, which is used to breast the milk from the mom and feed it to the babies. So like this I will unbox lot more videos, so please subscribe, share and love it. Thank you for watching my channel.